Well, I originally moved to Gilroy in 1982, and I raised my kids here. Then I left the area for a while, went up to the peninsula, then I went back east. Went to law school in Rhode Island after I lived in Boston for a bit, and then I went and got my postgraduate law degree at the University of Miami. Worked in Florida for a while, then I came back here because my kids are in this area. Really, we do estate planning and elder law, but elder law is a very broad field of law. Within elder law, we specialize in the financial eligibility for Medi-Cal to cover nursing home costs or in-home care. That's really what we work with. So certain parts of Medi-Cal, if your nephew takes your money or the caregiver does, or if they drop you in the nursing home, we don't do that part of elder law. We only focus on the Medi-Cal eligibility. Well, it's very important. If you have no assets and no family, maybe it doesn't matter. But otherwise, you need to make sure that everything is taken care of properly to protect yourself, protect your family. If it's not done right, then when there's a case of incapacity, we can't make the changes that we would like to make because you don't have the proper initial documents. I recently had a client, and she said that her friend said she didn't have to do anything because she's a widow and she has no children. I said, no, that's not true. Who are you going to authorize to spend your money to take care of you if you're incapacitated? That's another issue you have to address. You want to make sure that someone has legal authority, someone you trust, to spend your money to take care of you. It's an educational approach. I did that in Florida. I started doing it there. I knew a couple of other attorneys that did it. People come in, they like to learn, they like to get to know me and see if I'm someone they want to deal with. So we educate them, we talk to them about why they need a trust, why they need to do planning, and frequently they have questions about their own trust. Then we offer a free consultation also. So it's an educational process, let them feel more comfortable with what we're doing. Not so much anymore. I used to be very active with the Chamber of Commerce in both Morgan Hill and Gilroy. I was in Rotary for a number of years. I was on the board of directors for the Hispanic Chamber of Commerce. I volunteered at the Mushroom Mardi Gras, at the Gilroy Garlic Festival, but I'm not quite so active in the community anymore. I still volunteer at certain things. I contribute money to certain things. I go to certain charity events, but not as active as I used to be.